What's your name?
My name is Alex.
What's your name?
My name is Alex.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's your favorite color?
I like blue.
What's your favorite color?
I like blue.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee every morning.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you read books?
Yes, I enjoy reading.
Do you read books?
Yes, I enjoy reading.
What's your favorite movie?
I like Inception.
What's your favorite movie?
I like Inception.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym.
What's your favorite season?
I like summer.
What's your favorite season?
I like summer.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
What's your favorite hobby?
I like painting.
What's your favorite hobby?
I like painting.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
Do you have siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What's your favorite animal?
I like dogs.
What's your favorite animal?
I like dogs.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook dinner most nights.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, I cook dinner most nights.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love apples.
What's your favorite fruit?
I love apples.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a sedan.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a sedan.
What's your favorite TV show?
I enjoy Friends.
What's your favorite TV show?
I enjoy Friends.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
Do you enjoy traveling?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
What's your favorite dessert?
I like chocolate cake.
What's your favorite dessert?
I like chocolate cake.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I enjoy swimming in the pool.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I enjoy swimming in the pool.
What's your favorite type of music?
I like pop music.
What's your favorite type of music?
I like pop music.
Do you have any plants at home?
Yes, I have a few houseplants.
Do you have any plants at home?
Yes, I have a few houseplants.
What's your favorite restaurant?
I like the Italian bistro.
What's your favorite restaurant?
I like the Italian bistro.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love going to the beach.
Do you like the beach?
Yes, I love going to the beach.
What's your favorite game?
I enjoy playing chess.
What's your favorite game?
I enjoy playing chess.
Do you enjoy hiking?
Yes, I like hiking in the mountains.
Do you enjoy hiking?
Yes, I like hiking in the mountains.
What's your favorite drink?
I like iced tea.
Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, I love Harry Potter.
What's your favorite place to visit?
I enjoy visiting museums.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I find cooking relaxing.
What's your favorite holiday?
I like Christmas.
Do you prefer reading or watching TV?
I prefer reading.
What's your favorite sport to watch?
I enjoy watching soccer.
Do you like pets?
Yes, I love animals.
What's your favorite type of movie?
I like action movies.
Do you enjoy music?
Yes, I listen to music daily.
What's your favorite ice cream flavor?
I like vanilla.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes.
What's your favorite city?
I like New York City.
Do you have a favorite song?
Yes, I love Imagine.
What's your favorite type of weather?
I enjoy sunny weather.
Do you like to bike?
Yes, I like riding my bike.
What's your favorite type of book?
I enjoy mysteries.
Do you enjoy cooking for others?
Yes, I like hosting dinner parties.
What's your favorite way to relax?
I like watching movies.
Do you like to go camping?
Yes, I enjoy camping trips.
What's your favorite kind of exercise?
I like running.
Do you like board games?
Yes, I enjoy playing board games.
What's your favorite vegetable?
I like carrots.
Do you have a favorite actor?
Yes, I like Tom Hanks.
What's your favorite activity on weekends?
I enjoy going for walks.
Do you like baking?
Yes, I bake cakes and cookies.
What's your favorite holiday tradition?
I like decorating the tree for Christmas.
Do you have a favorite podcast?
Yes, I listen to Serial.
What's your favorite outdoor activity?
I like jogging in the park.
Do you like to travel by plane?
Yes, I don't mind flying.
What's your favorite type of restaurant?
I like Italian restaurants.
Do you enjoy visiting historical sites?
Yes, I find them interesting.
What's your favorite kind of cheese?
I like cheddar.
Do you like to try new foods?
Yes, I enjoy tasting different cuisines.
What's your favorite type of art?
I like modern art.
Do you like to visit parks?
Yes, I enjoy spending time in parks.
What's your favorite animal at the zoo?
I like watching elephants.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I like growing flowers.
What's your favorite way to stay active?
I like going for walks.
Do you have a favorite quote?
Yes, carpe diem.
What's your favorite genre of music?
I enjoy rock music.
Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I like photography.
What's your favorite fast food?
I like burgers.
Do you enjoy playing video games?
Yes, I play occasionally.
What's your favorite time of day?
I like the morning.
Do you like to write?
Yes, I enjoy writing stories.
What's your favorite type of movie genre?
I like comedies.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer tea.
What's your favorite part of the day?
I enjoy the evening.
Do you like to go to the theater?
Yes, I enjoy live performances.
What's your favorite kind of cake?
I like chocolate cake.
Do you have a favorite hobby?
Yes, I enjoy knitting.
What's your favorite TV show genre?
I like dramas.
Do you like to go to the gym?
Yes, I go regularly.
What's your favorite online activity?
I like browsing social media.
Do you like to visit new places?
Yes, I love exploring new locations.
What's your favorite candy?
I like chocolate bars.
Do you enjoy outdoor sports?
Yes, I like playing tennis.
What's your favorite fruit juice?
I like orange juice.
Do you have a favorite weekend activity?
I enjoy relaxing at home.
What's your favorite way to spend free time?
I like reading books.
Do you like to watch documentaries?
Yes, I find them fascinating.
What's your favorite kind of soup?
I like chicken noodle soup.
Do you enjoy attending events?
Yes, I like going to concerts.
What's your favorite kind of sandwich?
I like ham and cheese.
Do you like to take long walks?
Yes, I find them refreshing.
What's your favorite snack?
I enjoy nuts.
Do you like to go on bike rides?
Yes, I enjoy cycling.
What's your favorite activity in the summer?
I like going to the beach.
Do you have a favorite dessert to make?
Yes, I like baking cookies.
What's your favorite way to unwind?
I enjoy listening to music.
Great job following our English lesson today. You did well to listen and practice so much. Keep practicing because it helps you get better. Every time you learn, you are closer to speaking English really well. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Your support helps us to create more helpful content for you. See you next time and happy learning!